What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Donnie Digital coming at you with another banger. Today I shouldn't have been recording, but like I just drove all the way to Florida. I just got something new for the LS. Right now I'm passing by one of my favorite bases that I want to be stationed at, which is Herbert Field Air Force Base in Florida. But yeah, I'm back on my way back home. I'm going to do a little pit stop. I'm gonna meet up with my homie Bry. You know him as OMG Bry with the purple double X. You probably know him from the red one who made the video with Tay Wavy back in GAT 2023. But yeah, I'm on the way back. I'm gonna show you the spindles and a few, and I'm gonna link up with him.
Chase some money, nigga, and start chasing clout before you run into a drought, bro. Let these hoes trick 'em, now that nigga bout, bro. Black truck blowing gas and we switching lanes. Gold teeth, Cuban links, and a lot of chains. Shades on in the club.
Your boy is back. I just left Bry's house. I'm driving home now. I got a 2-hour drive ahead of me. After this, I'm going to meet up with some homies from work. I'm going to get food. And after that, when I get home, I'll show what I got new for one of the things I got new for the car. So yeah, get ready. This is Riverside Prep. So boy about to lock in.
This that shit that make a nigga feel like fuck these hoes. Feel like fuck these hoes. This that shit that make a nigga wanna beat the road. Don't listen if it broke.
YouTube, I am back. I finally made it home. This is the new for the car. You got me some shortened and tilted spindles, tilted to -3. That way I can get -15 in the car. I literally just got home. I drove like 2.5 hours, and yeah, I got food, you know, just ready to go inside. I probably won't put these on for like maybe a few weeks. Not a few weeks, I'll probably do it like this weekend coming up. But yeah, that's really it. This is part of what I got today, but I got more stuff coming that I'm going to get on video soon too. So yeah, I'll be back. All right, YouTube, I am back. It's been about a week since I got these spindles. So when I got them, they didn't have any studs in them, so I got some new studs from AutoZone and Advanced Auto. Just real quick, I took the wheel bearings, I greased them up, I put some grease in here just as precaution, you know. You can't be too safe. You always gotta be safe, you know, right? I got new studs on. Today is Friday, so I've been off work for a few hours now. I plan on tomorrow when I wake up, I plan on working on the car. I'm gonna put these in tomorrow. I forgot there was a car meet tonight and at Buc-ee's, which is like an hour away in Alabama, but I definitely did not feel like going. I kind of forgot to at the same time, just because like I had to get tires put on my wheels. I cracked one of my barrels, so like because of that I was like nah. So but I got everything fixed on my car, so now my car was able to be driven again. I gotta put the rear wheels on, and then put these in tomorrow. So that is going to be tomorrow's plan. So I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow. So I'll be back. YouTube, it's the next day. We're about to get the spindles put on. I'm about to back the car up on wood. I got tires on the rears. I'm about to finally put this car back together. So yeah, let me go ahead and get started. Alright y'all, so here's the old spindle. I got the rotor and caliper off. Yeah, so the reason why the rotor and the caliper came off at the same time, I just forgot that I have the brake on because I was trying to get the spacer off. So yeah, like I just realized the brake is still on. So to do this, you have two 17mm bolts right here on the calipers. You'll take both of those out, and then the caliper will come off. It'll free. Then you take off the rotor, and then under here I have NRCA's. So I don't remember what size they are for the stocks, but you'll just take out these bolts right here, which go to the ball joint. You just go to the ball joint. Oh, I just remembered I have to take off the entire thing. Oh, why did I take off? I took off the wrong bolts actually. But yeah, you'll take off the bolts that go here, to it itself, and then that'll come out, and then you just take off. You'll take off the upper control arm from here, which you'll use because it'll get stuck in there. You'll use one of these, which gives the best angle to pop out the ball joint, or you can smack it with a hammer like a million times. But I'm highly recommending don't do that. It takes forever. And then yeah, this all comes out. So let me go ahead and get back to that. All right, YouTube. So we got the new spindle in. I have it put down onto the bottom of the ball joint. Look at this, all gold, almost everything. Come on now. Can you talk to me? Talk to me nice. But yeah, I need to do something about this coilover. Like how there's some rust on it. I ain't gonna lie. It's just because of where I live. Like I live in a very humid place, so it's like mad rust getting on my shit. But you look at the gold 8-in-1 John brick, the gold Loveless Fab tilted spindle. Should imagine if I made my S9s fucking gold too. Then we got the gold PBM spring, gold PBM coilover. Come on, bro. Talk to me nice. All right, here's the spindles on. Everything's tightened down. Also, fun fact: if you want to get more camber out of these Serial 9 uppers, take out the locking nut and bring it all the way in. But you have to cut a little bit of your frame. Sadly, when I was roasting, I didn't think to paint over it at first. I was in a rush. I was being impatient. But yeah, cut there, and it'll allow more clearance for the upper arm to get in closer, and it can get you about like -11 just off of that alone. Maybe like -9, -10 off of that just alone, all the way in. So yeah, these shortened spindles, these tilted spindles are tilted for -3. So I'm about to put on the wheel and test fit. Look at the clearance. Look at the clearance right here. Bro, this shit about to be tough, bro. I'm about to throw the wheel on and I'll be right back. Bro, look at how much camber this got, bro. Like, holy shit. Like, I ain't even telling how much that is gonna be. So like, I don't know. That's like a lot of camber, bro. I might have to throw these up front just for that, and then throw these in the rear. And I might have to rebuild them. I'm gonna have to just run these with like an extra spacer, a thicker spacer for a little while. So it looks like I'm about to buy more spacers, guys. I'm about to put the wheel all the way on and bolt it down, and I'm gonna check out how it looks.
I do this shit for real, bitch. I'm trying to catch me a kill. Don't come while I live. Young nigga swinging that steel. You play with your life and get killed. Shit get real. No step or two chewing them pills, and they'll come let your grill.
Okay, YouTube, I just finished getting the other side in. I think it only took me like maybe 15 minutes just to get this side in. So now the car is put back together. This side is reading like, my driver's side is reading like -17. My passenger side is reading like -15. So I'm on this one, I'm gonna try my rear up front and see what the fit is like. Because that's the front and it's sunken. I might need like at least a 35mm spacer on it. So yeah. So yeah, a 10.5 will not fit in there. Look at what it's doing to my fender. Like, Jesus Christ. So yeah, I'm gonna throw my 9.5 up front and we're gonna see. Alright, this is the finished product. All the wheels are on. You can see the front has like a lot of tilt compared to the rear. The rear is only a -13 now because I got Accelera 2540s, and I forgot that there's two different ones. I think these are just the normal Accelera 5s, PHI, and then these are the PHI Rs. And I think the PHI Rs are skinnier in the sidewall than the PHIs. So I have a 20540 up front on a 9.5. and a 225/40 on a 10.5. But with other tire brands, my 225/40s, they have way more stretch. But I think with this brand tire, this is thicker in the sidewalls and it's more square. So I need to get maybe a 215/40 if I ever get this brand again. Other brands I can keep running 225/40s. But nah, just because of that, it raised the car up probably like maybe a quarter of an inch in the rear, which is nice because it picked my exhaust up off the ground and my diff up off the ground some more. So now it's better to drive. And now my front is like borderline on the ground right now. But I checked my oil pan for clearance and all that. My subframe's good height and my oil pan's a good height. So it's still drivable without much. So yeah, this is the finished product. I need to get, so on this side, the tire looks like whenever the suspension will rebound, it'll probably, the lip of the tire may hit the spindle. So I need to get like an extra spacer somewhere, another spacer. Right now I have 20 mils on there. I think I need to get 30 mils. I'm gonna have to get 30 mils because that'll probably get it away from it. Get 30 mil spacers, and then yeah, 30 mil spacers, and I should be able to drive this thing. But right now it's just about to be getting pictures taken of it. So when I get paid again, I'm gonna get 30 mil spacers and I'll be able to drive it. But other than that, that's the end of today's video. And yeah, just know your boy is gonna be back outside for Riverside pretty soon.